Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Here in today's video, I'll go ahead and talk about the display flickering or the green tint issue on our Nothing Phone 1. Now, the display flickering problem happens quite a lot. At the same time, the green tint issue is something that occasionally hurts most smartphones with AMOLED display. Recently, there are a few tweets about the green tint issue for Nothing Phone 1. Now, if you have either of these problems on your Nothing Phone 1, don't worry, let me go ahead and tell you why it happens and how you can solve the problem at the same time. Now, if you want to solve the problem, there are a few troubleshooting processes that you need to know. First of all, if it happens after the new software update on your Nothing Phone 1, the next thing that you want to do is just open up your settings on your device, scroll down to your system, and check for the new software update for your device. Sometimes updating the software can cause a problem, but as soon as you get another software update for your device, this potentially can solve your problem. Well, if you found there is no software update for your device, the least thing that you guys can do, you simply can press and hold that power button and the volume up buttons together, and you simply can perform a restart and see whether if there is changes or not. Now let's say you did that restart on your device as well, but it's still either your display flickers or maybe it shows you the green tint issue. Well, the next thing that you want to do on your Nothing Phone 1 is just open up your settings on your device here, scroll down to the bottom, tap on About Phone, tap on Software Info, go ahead and tap on your build number for 7 times, just get back here. Now you need to tap on System, go ahead and open up your developer option from here and scroll down here, and you need to find out a couple of options from here. First, all you want to do is just go ahead and turn off this option called Show Surface Update. Let me show you what happens. If you turn on this feature here, you will see there will be a flickering problem and it will make your device or display like pink. So here's guys, because if I turn off these features, it instantly go away. Well, if I turn off this option called Show Surface Update here, then what's going to happen immediately, the problem is going to be solved. At the same time, there's one more option called Show View Update here. So if you enable this option, you will see your display will be like orange, or it can also become red. So it can also, create the problem. So also turn off this feature here. After that, your display flickering problem is going to be solved on your Nothing Phone 1. Well, let's say you did that process but still have a problem with the green tint issue or the display flickering problem, then the next thing that you got to do, just go ahead and open up your settings, scroll down to your system, tap on reset option. Now you got to choose erase all data. Now keep that in mind. Doing this process will delete everything that you have on your phone. Make sure to just get a backup and then just tap on erase all data on factory, because I'm not going to do it because I ain't got no problem with my phone. If you're going to do it, this is going to solve your problem, especially if it's a problem that's happening with your software. Well, let's say you did that process as well, but still, if you have the problem here, lastly, you want to just talk with Nothing Support to get further help. Alright guys, this is how you can solve your problem, especially if you have a problem with the green tint or display flickering on Nothing Phone 1, and this is how you can solve your problem. I hope you find this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.